Here's a quick tip from Real Leads Finder Pro. Go High Level gives you a quick actions feature. Do you know where to find it? It's right here in your search bar. Just click on that little green star, and there you go. You can add a contact, book an appointment, send a review request, or create an opportunity. Hope you enjoyed this quick tip from Real Leads Finder Pro. If you're new to Go High Level and looking for a way to shorten your learning curve and get up and running quickly, check out Real Leads Finder Pro's courses, offering step-by-step tutorials that you can follow along to quickly build and set up your Go High Level account automations. We also offer a course called Mastering AI Conversations, which will take you through step-by-step on how to set up an AI chatbot, AI live conversations, and many AI features you may not be yet aware of. So check us out at Real Leads Finder Pro under Courses for more information.